In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Dropbox to N8N. By the end, you'll have a clean connection that lets N8N listen to your Dropbox and react automatically whenever something changes, like a new file appearing in a folder. First, head to your N8N instance and open the editor. You can use N8N Cloud or a self-hosted setup. The interface is the same for what we're doing today. Make sure you're on the canvas view so you can build a new automation from scratch. Next, click on Create Workflow to start fresh. You'll see an empty canvas and the Nodes panel. It helps to give your workflow a clear name right away so you remember its purpose later, but that's optional. Think of this as the control room where you'll define what should happen and when. Now, search for Dropbox. In the Nodes sidebar, use the search bar and type Dropbox. You'll likely see both a general Dropbox node and a Dropbox trigger node. Since we want N8N to react to changes in your Dropbox automatically, choose the Dropbox trigger and place it on the canvas. The trigger is what wakes your workflow up when something happens in Dropbox. Choose your trigger event based on your use case. Common choices include watching for a new file in a specific folder, monitoring for file changes, or tracking when a folder's contents are updated. If you're just testing, point it to a dedicated test folder so you can safely add and remove files without affecting production data. Depending on the trigger, you may be asked for details like a folder path or event type. Provide those now so the trigger knows exactly what to listen for. Then click on Connect to authorize N8N with your Dropbox account. In the Credentials section of the node, press Connect. A secure window will open asking you to sign in and grant permissions. Approve the request so N8N can access the files and folders needed for your trigger. When the window closes, you should see a confirmation in N8N that the account is linked. If you work across personal and team spaces, make sure you select the correct Dropbox account during authorization. Once connected, your Dropbox trigger is ready. You can fine-tune any remaining fields, and from here, you're set to expand your workflow with whatever actions you want next, like copying the file, updating a database, or sending a notification. That's it. You've connected Dropbox to N8N and prepared a trigger to automate your file-driven tasks.